Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add team members on Trello. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on Trello, and as you can see, I have created a board. So I'm just going to click on it. And now you need to click on these three dots on the top right corner. So click on it, and you will see clearly an option called Members. So you need to click on Members, and you will find that I am the only admin here. Now what you can do is you can simply type the name, email or username of the person that you want to invite, or you can also create a board invite link. So if you have their email, just simply type in it. Alright, I will just simply type an email here, and as you can see, just simply click on add, and it is saying that the person is added to the board. You can add number of people from here. You can also make an invite link that is much easier. You can share it in a group that people can join through. So that's how you can add your team members in your board. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a wonderful day.